Is your iPhone also overheating? Here's how you can fix it. So first thing is to remove any kind of background running app. If you simply swipe up from your home screen just like this, here you can see these are all of the background running applications. Simply swipe and remove these all. So after doing that, another thing is to simply force restarting your iPhone. For that, click on your volume up button, volume down button, and keep pressing on your power button until you see a Apple logo. Then you can release the button, wait for a few seconds, and your iPhone will successfully be restarted. After doing that, the overheating problem will be reduced. So another thing that you can do is go to your settings, and then from your settings scroll down, then tap on general, then from here scroll down until you see background app refresh, tap on it, and then tap on background app refresh one more time, and then simply select off and turn off your background app refresh. So after doing that, your problem might be fixed, but if it's still not fixing it, then try to reset all of your settings. For that, again, go back and get to your general settings. Here we are on the general, and then from here scroll all the way down and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Then here tap on reset, and now what you're going to do is tap on reset all settings. Then your passcode will be required. Simply type that down, and all you need to do is tap on reset all settings, and all of your settings will be reset. And after doing that, I'm pretty sure your iPhone overheating problem will be fixed. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.